All right, so from some previous video, we learned how we can update the items in a set with the call made to the update method, and we are able to pass in any iTrable or other collection data types. Okay, now in this video, we want to learn about how to combine two sets in a special way, and this combination basically results in keeping the items that exist in both sets. Okay, to make this easier for you to understand, I'm going to use a fictitious example where it's like you are a guy and you are looking for a woman to marry, and so you want to look at how compatible you are in terms of your preferences. Okay, so I'm going to create a set for the man, and this is going to list all the interest of the man. Okay, so let's say the man is interested in swimming, and this can be used for matchmaking on sites like Tinder or any site where you want to do matchmaking. And indeed, before we end this section, I will show you a simple mathematical tool for measuring similarity between two set of objects. Okay, so the man is interested in swimming. He likes banana. He likes traveling. I hope I spelled traveling right. Maybe it's one L. Let's confirm that. So I'm going to open a browser here and I'm going to check traveling. Okay, it's two L's. All right. So I'm going to bring back this. Let's say the man is interested in reading, and the man is interested in sports. Okay, and let's store the interest of the woman also as a set. So we say woman is equal to, so let's say the woman is also interested in traveling, but she prefers oranges to bananas, and she likes swimming too. Okay, she likes yoga, and she also likes teaching, and she likes technology. Okay, all right, so these are two sets, and we want to see what we get when we put all of them together. Remember that we have swimming here, we also have swimming here, and we have traveling here, we have traveling here, and I think those are the only two things that they have in common. So when we add the interest of both the man and the woman, we get to see what defines the two of them, and that is going to form the basis on which we calculate the match, or how fitting they are to each other. And the way to put two sets together is to call a method called union. Okay, so I'll say interest is equal to man dot union woman. So what is happening here is we are adding the interest of both the man and the woman to see what the two people have in common. And so I'm going to print the interest here, and then we get to see. Sorry. So I'll say Python 3, and I'm working in set. I think there's a set unions.py. So you can see that when you put the two people together, they are interested in technology, banana, reading, sports, swimming, teaching, oranges, yoga, traveling. So these items are coming from both the interest of the man and the interest of the woman. And this is how you add two sets in Python. Like I said, we are building a foundation on which we will eventually learn how to mathematically calculate the similarity of two people based on their interests, and that is going to help us to be able to build things like matchmaking for either online dating or any business where you want to match people in group A to people in group B by taking a look at what they are interested in. It could even form the foundation of a very simple recommender system. So let's take a quick break here, and in the next video we will learn how to get the intersection of two sets, which is items that are in set A and in set B. So I'll see you very soon in that video.